Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the how much of time taken by the letter to reach from one address to another address, and also what is meant by speed post and what are the special features of speed post, and also what is meant by courier service, and also what is meant by money order and what is meant by parcel. So all those things we discussed here in this class. Okay. So in last class we are going to learn. In last class we already discussed about the so how we write the letter and where we put the letter, and the postman, what he made the postman to letter, and also all those things we discussed already in last classes. Okay. Now, so here there is a conversation between the friends and postman. Okay. Here first one friend Sunil asked question to postman, uncle, so when will it reach Dravid? So that means it means here letter. Okay, Sunil asked question to postman. Here uncle means postman. So uncle, when will, it means here letter reach Dravid. So for that postman replied that or so give answer to Sunil questions. So letter it will take 3 days. That means letter will take 3 days to reach Dravid. Okay. So postman replied that or answer to Sunil question. Letter will take 3 days to reach Dravid. Next, again the Sanjay asked question to postman. Oh, won't it reach him tomorrow? So okay, Sanjay again asked question to postman. Oh, won't, it means here letter reach him means he reach Dravid tomorrow. Here him means him referred as Dravid. Okay. So first postman give answer to Sanjay's questions. So look there, we have speed post facility. So look there, we have speed post facility. So if you give the letter there, if you give the letter at the speed post, so it will be sent by an aeroplane. It will be sent letter an aeroplane. Okay. So it costs more. Okay, but it costs more. So but it reaches quickly. Okay. So in speed post that letter will be reaches quickly. Apart from post office, some other organizations, apart from post office, some other organization also provide speed service. Okay. Apart from post office, some other organization also provide speed service. Have you not heard of a courier service? So postman asked question to Sanjay, have you not heard of a courier service? So okay, I will once again repeat it. Here Sanjay asked question to postman, who won't letter reach Dravid tomorrow? So for that postman give answer to Sanjay's question. So look there, we have speed post facility. So if you give the letter there, it will be, that means letter will be sent by an aeroplane. So but it costs more, but it reaches quickly. Apart from post office, some other organization also provide speed services. Okay. So have you not heard of a courier service? So then Rita replied to postman, oh, a few days ago my grandmother sent me money for my birthday by post. The postman gave it to me. Okay. So Rita said that, oh, a few days ago my grandmother sent me money for my birthday by post. The postman gave it to me. So then the postman said that, oh, that is a money order. Okay. Here, so here that is in a money order, just like we send letters. Okay, so just like we send letters, so we can also send money by postal service. Okay, so just like sending letters, we can also send money by postal service. That type of we call it as money order. That type of transaction we call it as money order. So in the same way, books and other things also can also be sent in the same way. So books and other things also be sent, so it is called parcel. So such type of transaction or transformation, so that we call it as parcel. I will once again repeat it. Postman said that, oh, that is a money order, just like we send letters. Okay, so just like sending letters, money also sent, that we call it as money order. So we can also send money by postal service. Okay, so in the same way, books and other things can also be sent. Okay, so it is called parcel. So that is called parcel. So next again Sunil said that, Sunil asked question to postman, uncle, so will it reach Dravid in 3 days? So okay, here Sunil asked question to postman, uncle, will letter reach Dravid in 3 days? So then postman, yes children, so don't worry, yes children, don't worry, so it will be reach in 3 days to Dravid. Okay, so then again Karuna said that, so now lunch break is over, so let us go to watch the match. Then Karuna said that, now lunch break is over, let us go to watch the match. So then children ran out of the post office, so and also making noise and sat in front of the TV and watched the match. Okay, so this is the complete information. So by any conversation between the postman and the children, and they get information about the how we send the letters. So what are the steps that are involved in what is meant by speed post and courier and also parcel. Okay, so you also visit the post office your place and put the letter, so written by you, into the post box. So then go inside the post office and see the work going on there. Okay, here, so first write a letter, next put it into post box. So third man, the postman collect the letters. So next fourth one, here officers put the seal on the, so post letter. So next it will be sent by an aeroplane or truck. Next the finally the postman send reaches to address. Okay, so thank you one and all.